Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel with another tutorial. Today we learn how to create a backup of your website in just 5 minutes. So let's start it. And before starting, if you are new in our YouTube channel, please subscribe our YouTube channels and press the bell icon button for latest and more contents. Let's start it. So we need one plugin that name is Updraft. Install this plugin. This plugin is fully free, so we will also install Google our backups on Google Drive for storing our for future and uses. So the updraft menu is under the our setting. Go to this one. So we have this interface of our updraft menu. So this is a big button is using for creating a backup now. If you have already backup from your updraft, you need to upload backup files from here. You have the option about the backup files and scan folder for backup sites. If you are uploaded on your WordPress directories and you want to scan your backup, you can click on this menu. As well as if you want to scan from remote storage, you can also click from this. If you have the cloud storage or you have URL of that cloud storage or access, so you can scan from this here. So let's start it. We press the backup now. Include the database backup, include your files, allow to backup, delete manually. So you can also enable this option, but I am not enabling for now backup now. So it's take a couple of minutes to complete your backup. You also see your log, all the logs are here. The backup has finished running. Close. So our backup is completed. Here's a backup is 20 gigs. So here's all the detail of our log backup history. So you can manually download from here. You can delete. If you want to restore your backup, you can restore here. If you want to download your theme, you just click on here, plugins, database or files or must use plugin and other stuff. So you can select here and select all, deselect, and if you want to delete like this. So we have our migration, create a temporary clone on our server. You can also create a some staging clone, means some staging on updraft server. You also create, we have an option for this. So if you want to create backup automatically on daily basis schedule, you just click here, every 2 hours, every week. If you want to your site daily basis backup, you can select that daily or weekly or fortnight or monthly. So I'm going with weekly. So and retain how many backup scheduled, this is 2. Database backup is also weekly and 2. So my prefer is Google Drive. You can use anyone which is your prefer. So just click on Google Drive. So it's Google Drive folder updraft. So authorize, you need to sign in with Google. Save changes. So sign in with Google. So you need to authorize with your account. So you need to select continue, continue setup. Yes. Go to setting. Oh, yes. Up drop setting. our setting page load is setting weekly. Okay, we have not connected with our Google Drive. So save changes, sign in with Google. Already has access. Copy this one, paste. Okay, copy like this, paste here. Yeah. So our Google Drive is connected. You can see option here below. So it's automatically backup on your remote directory as well. So I'm press the back now. So send the backup to remote storage as well. So by default is automatically sent on selected date. So let us check once we have backup created, and then we will go to our Google Drive and check the backup is created there also. So our backup is completed. This is a backup of our Google Drive is automatically stored in our remote directory, and this is backup of our local. So it's easily restore. We can see logs and download everything from our panel. So let us open our Google Drive. So here's my Google Drive, and the folder is already created. That is a rough plus. Open that folder. So you can see as the backup files are all the backup files by the date is here. So this is a db file, this is a plugin file, and must use plugin. This is a other files which is some other data. This is a plugin, this is themes, and these are uploads folder. So this is the basic steps in just a 5 minute how to create backup, how to connect your cloud storage or remote storage fully free without any spend a single penny on your WordPress website. So if you like our video, please thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channels for latest and amazing content. Bye bye.